The National Human Rights Commission and some civil society organizations have applauded the judgment of a Federal High Court Abuja in favor of 6 women for violation of their rights. The groups, at a media briefing, applauded the judgment of Justice Evelyn Maha on the matter. It would be recalled that on April 26, 2019, over 100 state actors invaded clubs, hotels, supermarkets and other centers of businesses in Abuja to arrest alleged sex workers. Justice Maha, after over 2 years of trial, in her judgment on August 5, 2021, held that the arrest of the applicants was without cause and in violation of the applicants' rights, and awarded between 2 to 4 million naira in damages in favor of the 6 applicants. The Executive Secretary of the National Human Rights Commission, Mr. Tony Ojukwu, represented by Mr. Harry Obe, Director, Women and Children, said the judgment would encourage all activists fighting human rights violations in Nigeria.
For us, it's a day that is really exciting for us and very encouraging to all activists fighting human rights violation in Nigeria, especially violation that borders on sexual and gender-based violence. So it is a story worth telling, and we're calling on all to speak out, because that is the only way we can address the issues of sexual and gender-based violence.
Executive Director of Partners West Africa, Nigeria, and a member of the governing board of the Commission, described the judgment as a victory over violation of rights.
This judgment, like I said earlier, is significant as it asserts the human rights of every person against gender-based violence, especially by state actors, which is a persistent, well-documented fact. The judgment regarding the discriminatory arrest of people based on their gender, particularly the arrest of women in the streets and other places, becomes a reference point for protecting women's rights now and in the future.
Chairperson, International Federation of Women Lawyers, FIDA, Nigeria, Abuja Branch, also commended the judgment.
We want to say that this is victory for women. This is victory for all civil society organizations that stand for women and children. And we join and we're glad, we're as delighted as the National Human Rights Commission. We know that the fight to eliminate all forms of discrimination against women and children is a long walk, but I think we're making progress. And we believe that if we sustain this momentum, we will achieve more. And for the perpetrators, I think it's a new dawn. They now know that whether you are a state actor or you are an individual, you can be called to question, you can be called to answer to your deeds at any time.